Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are on the 25th of April, just one week before Fed interest rate decision. A lot of things is happening on this week and then we will cover some of them. Let's start with some expectation and then the macroeconomic data releases. First of all, this week we will receive US durable goods order and first quarter GDP growth. At the same time, in European countries as well, on Friday we will receive a lot of first quarter prels and growth prels on that one. And on Wednesday we will receive new home sales in US. Those are critical levels. At the same time, there is Bank of Japan rate decision on Thursday. Nobody is expecting any increase on that one, but if we just hear some speeches on loosening or tightening, like a more loosening or just a small tightening in the future in monetary policy, it may affect USD, Japanese yen, Euro, Japanese yen, and other currency pairs. All right, let's start with our first chart. As you can see, the classic dollar index is our first chart, and it's rising. And as you can see on the chart, main reason is there is no alternative to dollar right now. This week in Beijing, actually this weekend, last weekend, there have been reported some rising cases in Beijing, the capital of the capital city of China, and similar to Shanghai, a lockdown can be observed there. In Europe, Ukraine invasion is keeping a lot of pressure on that one. At the same time, and in Japan, they are having a lot of trouble with their demography as well. So in the world, there is no alternative to dollar. There is no other chance investing in dollar bonds. That's why we see just some decline in dollar index, especially with tighter monetary policy. It's rising. That's the main issue. And if you see some relaxation over, as you can see here, when it just comes closer to one and two, it's just getting some rejection, but slowly it's rising. That's the most important thing. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is gold. Gold is on decline, really, as you can see here, and in just one week, or like in just a complete one week, it has just tested close to 2000 level, and right now getting close to 1900 levels, 1900 levels, and the volume is really less in these days. The big problem these days is the liquidity. People don't know where to invest. They don't know how it will affect. They're all focused on Fed decision, and 10-year bonds are really high levels, almost 3% right now, and that is creating a lot of pressure on that one. In Russia, Ukraine, the market kind of priced that one. They have seen that Russia will not be able to take over complete Ukraine, but they will just focus on Donbas region. And in Donbas region already there is conflict since 2014, so that is nothing new. The market is just getting used to that one. As long as we see this conflict just in the east side of Ukraine, so the market will just find some other ways to overcome this one, and gold prices can decline some more. But if unexpected thing happens, so like China lockdown and some other like a crisis, demand crisis, we may see some sharp moves in gold. But in this environment, in these high interest rate environments, precious metals are on decline. Let's look at our last chart, US oil WTI. All right, our last chart is US oil WTI. As you can see here, there is a sharp decline on WTI. The main reason for this, the fear of new lockdown in Beijing. On this weekend, we have seen rising numbers of the COVID. And China is insisting on zero COVID policy. As long as this happens, we will see these decline. In Shanghai, still lockdown, and they will just continue to that one until May. And if they just bring new measures to lockdown in Beijing, if they just add it to Beijing, so we will see more decline on that one. So that's the basic problem in US oil. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts with you on this afternoon. Have a nice day and profitable day. Bye.